Hey everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on installing Jellyfin Media Server on your Raspberry Pi 4. Jellyfin is an open-source media server that allows you to stream your own personal media library to any device, including computers, smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. It's a great way to consolidate your media collection and make it easily accessible from anywhere. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up your Raspberry Pi to installing and configuring Jellyfin. We'll also cover some important topics like hardware acceleration and port forwarding. By the end of this guide, you'll have your own Jellyfin server up and running, ready to stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and music. Before we begin, let's make sure you have all the necessary hardware components. Raspberry Pi 4 with 4GB or 8GB RAM recommended. A micro SD card at least 16GB with SD card reader. An external storage device for storing your media files. On the software side, you'll need to download the following: Raspberry Pi OS, Raspberry Pi Imager for writing the OS image to the microSD card, Jellyfin server software. Download the Raspberry Pi Imager for your operating system and install it on your computer. Head over to the Raspberry Pi Downloads page and download the latest Raspberry Pi OS. Connect the micro SD card to your computer using a card reader. Open the Raspberry Pi Imager, select the downloaded OS image, choose the micro SD card, and click Write. This will write the Raspberry Pi OS Lite image to the micro SD card. Installation process will take time, so be patient. After installing the Raspberry Pi OS on the SD card, remove it from the PC and insert the same SD card in Raspberry Pi. After that, connect the Raspberry Pi to the Ethernet cable and power adapter. Now we'll access the Raspberry Pi using the SSH method. Now we have connected to the Raspberry Pi by using the SSH. Now to install the Jellyfin, go to the Jellyfin download link. Copy the command from the link and paste the same command in the terminal. The installation process will take time, so be patient. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to install. It depends on your internet speed. As you can see, installation has been completed. To access Jellyfin web interface, open a web browser on any device connected to your network. Type the following URL into the address bar. Replace IP_address_ of _Raspberry _Pi with the actual IP address of your Raspberry Pi. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial Jellyfin setup, including creating an admin account and setting up media library folders. Now here you need to add your media server. If you have an external USB storage device, then you can add a path here to add it as a media server. Hardware acceleration can significantly improve the performance of Jellyfin, especially when transcoding media on the fly. To enable hardware acceleration, you'll need to install additional packages and configure Jellyfin. Refer to the official Jellyfin documentation for detailed instructions on hardware acceleration setup. If you want to access your Jellyfin server remotely, you'll need to forward port 8096 on your router to the Raspberry Pi. This process varies depending on your router model, so consult your router's manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and configured Jellyfin Media Server on your Raspberry Pi 4. Now you can start adding your media files and streaming them to your devices. Enjoy your personal media libraries. To stream the media, you need to download the Jellyfin client app from their website. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.